Hi, this is John Keefe. The lesson that you're going to be seeing includes a through activity regarding photosynthesis. Students had just gone through a lesson on photosynthesis where we had used beans to represent the atoms. These atoms, we follow through the whole process of photosynthesis, so students were able to see how the carbon and how the water molecules were used through the photosynthesis process to create the sugar and oxygen as the products. We are now using this activity to extend their thinking, to think about where the source of biomass comes from. And the reasoning I want them to think about this is to think about where mass of an organism comes from. Okay, so does anybody have an idea? Where does the mass in an object, like a cell or a tree, come from? Now that I introduced the basic question of where does mass in an organism comes from, the classroom brainstormed different ideas on where they thought the mass came from. I found this video clip where they asked a graduating class from MIT and Harvard the exact same question.
Did they not know either?
Well, let's find out what they said. Hi. So now in this section, what I show is a short video clip about 2 minutes long that gives some responses that were asked of the graduating class at MIT and Harvard. So how many of you think those are the correct answers?
They look smart, so we got
Yeah.
I mean, they're guys who graduated from MIT and Harvard, so you think they're pretty smart guys, right?
If they're wrong, you set us up for failure. Promise. They're from Harvard. They're from Harvard.
They're from those were people. That was a graduating class from Harvard and MIT. So very prestigious colleges. But here's the thing: they were all wrong.
Told you.
They were all wrong. I'm setting you guys up for that one. After the class saw the video on the responses from the Harvard and MIT graduates, which were the same responses than they were given, we went through and discussed more about photosynthesis and highlighted that this was actually where the mass in a plant came from. So what exactly in photosynthesis?
It absorbs the light to make its food, which allows it to get bigger.
You're great. That is the best answer yet so far in all the periods. Give them a round of applause. In the last section, I asked students to write 2 paragraphs on why it was important to protect the atmosphere. In doing so, using the concepts of photosynthesis in their explanation.